Hey there, avocado lovers. Today, we're talking about what happens if you eat an avocado every single day for a month. This green powerhouse might just be the superhero your body's been waiting for. And hey, if you're already munching on guacamole while watching this, you're ahead of the game. Stick around until the end because we're breaking down 9 incredible ways this fruit can transform your health, and trust me, you don't want to miss number 1. Plus, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below about your favorite way to eat avocado. Let's dive in. Number 9. Fresh breath. Say goodbye to that minty spray. Did you know the secret to fresh breath isn't just brushing your teeth or popping a mint? It's actually digestion. Weird, right? Avocados can tackle bad breath because they're packed with antibacterial and antioxidant flavonoids that kill bacteria in your mouth. Plus, they're so good at their job, scientists at Ohio State University say they might even help prevent oral cancer. So next time you're about to grab a breath freshener, maybe grab an avocado instead. Who knew guacamole could double as mouthwash? Number 8. Happy kidneys, happy life. Avocados are basically the BFF your kidneys never knew they needed. Thanks to their high potassium content, they help maintain a healthy fluid balance in your body, which allows your kidneys to function like rock stars. But wait, there's a catch. If you have hyperkalemia, a fancy way of saying too much potassium, avocados might not be for you. So talk to your doctor if you're unsure. Number 7. Your cholesterol's new best friend. Heart Health Squad. Listen up. Avocados are here to rescue you. They can lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides by up to 22%, and they even boost good cholesterol, HDL, by 11%. Pretty impressive, right? So next time someone offers you avocado toast, just remember, you're not being trendy. You're being heart smart. Number 6. A liver's little helper. Let's talk about your liver, the unsung hero of your body. Avocados help your liver produce glutathione, an antioxidant that filters out harmful substances like a pro. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin C and E, which tag team to protect your liver from damage. So if your liver could talk, it'd probably say, "More avocados, please." Number 5. Blood pressure? Not a problem. Meet potassium, your new bestie. Avocados are loaded with it, and potassium helps keep your blood pressure in check. Studies even show that potassium-rich foods can significantly lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Your heart will thank you. Your doctor will thank you. And honestly, you'll thank yourself. Number 4. Clearer vision. Bye-bye blue light blues. If you're like most of us, glued to screens all day, your eyes are probably screaming for help. Enter avocados. They're rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. So, the next time you're binge-watching your favorite show, consider an avocado snack. Your eyes will love you for it. Number 3. Extra cancer protection, the avocado shield. Let's get serious for a sec. Avocados contain carotenoids and monounsaturated fats that may reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. Research shows they can even trigger cancerous cells to self-destruct. Yep, avocados are out here fighting the good fight. And no, it's not just hype. Science has your back on this one. So eat up. It's like giving your body a little extra armor. Number 2. The weight loss wonder. Trying to shed some pounds? Avocados are high in fiber, which keeps you full and satisfied longer. That means fewer late-night snack runs. Here's a pro tip. Pair your daily avocado with some exercise for maximum results. Sure, it's not magic, but it's pretty close. Number 1. Glowing skin. Let's talk beauty, because avocados aren't just good for the inside, they're also amazing for your skin. Thanks to vitamin C and E along with omega-9 fatty acids, avocados boost collagen, reduce sun damage, and keep your skin hydrated. Basically, avocados are like nature's skincare routine. So whether you're eating them or slathering them on your face, you're winning. And there you have it, 9 amazing ways avocados can totally transform your health. Who knew one little fruit could do so much? Now I'm curious, how do you like your avocados? Toast, smoothies, straight out of the peel with a spoon? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, or if you're just excited to eat more avocados, give it a thumbs up. share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's spread the avocado love and stay on the bright side of life together. See you next time.